Assalamu alaikum guys, my name is Suliat. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all have been in the very best of health. Alhamdulillah, I've been doing so great. So today is another Niqab tutorial. So if you enjoy watching, please don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel, and let's get right into the video. The first thing I'm gonna do is pull my cap forward, a little bit forward, to cover my forehead and so part of my face, because I'm going to let it show under it. So I'm going to put it forward, pull it forward like this, and the next thing I do is fold the scarf this way. The reason I'm folding it, I don't want to have the sun part in front, so that's why I'm folding it, and just a little bit like this. After that, and I just take it around. It goes this way. Oh, train. God. So we have this right here, the short one, and we have the long one on this side. So like this, and I'll grab my pin and secure this place. Secure and adjust it here. So if you don't want your scarf to show underneath, that's not a problem. You can do it the way you want it. Having these two, so here, take this. We have this. Like this. And secure this right here. So it won't start falling out. And after then, so we have this. Just take this and like this. And take it to the back. It's either you fold it or you secure it with a pin. Okay, and you can fold it first. The next thing is this short one right here will go to the back. You can spread to the back this way, so as not to leave the back open like this, and this front will be like this. So it doesn't take much of your time, and you see. So this is it for today, and I hope you enjoy watching it. So if you enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Assalamu alaikum. Bye.